Hi friends, I'm here to review one of my recent purchases. This is called Bitonics Face Slimming and Uplifting Wand. What it promises is basically a very improved skin texture and reduced face fat. So, let me tell you how does it work. So, before I do it, I clean my face with face wash, and then I give a use olive oil every day. That's commonly what I do for my daily face regime. And after massaging for 1 or 2 minutes with the olive oil, this is how the tool looks like. It has a solar panel here, and these are the rollers. It's very fast moving rollers, and with this you try massaging like this in the areas where you want to bring some shape. So how I do it is basically each side I do it for 25 times like this, and then here also. So my problematic area is basically the neck area. I'm getting a lot of double chin after work from home, being at home, COVID times, and yeah, I started seeing some double chin here. So I have got this for this purpose, and I also do it in this cheek area for the cheekbone uplift. For the foreheads, you have to take one side of the roller and slowly move it like this. Uh, so at this point of time, I'm just using it for a week. I cannot say how much improvement I will get, but one thing I can say, it is very relaxing. After completing this face massage for 5-10 minutes, I get a very good sleep. It is so much comfortable and relaxing. Also, at this area, this is an important place, because we in the face we get a lot of problems at this area, basically below eye area. So puffiness, dark circles, crow feet at these areas are the first signs of aging. I started seeing all these problems in my late 30s. So once after 35, once I crossed 35, I started seeing all these problems, and now I have to start thinking about taking proper care of my skin. Um, for the nose area also you have to do it. Don't forget to do it in the neck. We mostly, whenever we do any face care, we forget neck, and we but this is quite important. It is part of our face, and if your neck doesn't look good, definitely none of your jewelries or your look will come that properly. Okay, so let me now explain how does the tool work. So as you see here, when we move this roller in the skin, so some electric webs, micro electric webs gets created, microcurrent get created, and that's how, because of this solar panel. So in morning, the solar panel get charged, and you don't need any batteries or electricity to charge it. And when you move this roller in the skin, so microcurrent get created, and this microcurrent is capable of facial stimulation. So basically this waves will penetrate to your muscles, and inside the celluloid area it reaches to your nerves and also your veins, and you will get better blood circulation and your better skin texture also. So this is how the charging happens. You don't have to do anything, it gets charged automatically. And the areas where you can use it, uh, behind the neck, collarbone, arms, waist area, your this shoulder area, then cheekbone, chin, and then below arms and legs. Yeah. So what this is committing is like the features are basically skin tightening with new cleaning technology, 360 rotation, which helps in cleaning and massaging all body parts, suitable for all skin types, and basically it is for sensitive skin. So definitely, because this is just a massager, it's a roller, so you can use it for all skin types. Only you have to use it with a proper cream. You can also do it without any cream, but why I recommend is because then this gliding is very smooth and you don't get any rough or like heat getting produced here because of the friction. And what are the advantages? No more double chin and face fat, reduce dark circles and eye puffiness, get face uplift and say no to the wrinkles, no more belly fat, get toned legs and arms. So yeah, this is what it commits. And currently I would not be able to say if that works like this, but why I'm doing a review this early after a week is because I already see some improvement in my skin texture and some shape here. And while I said this to my friends, a few of my friends that I have bought this, they asked me how this is working and do you see an improvement and all. So I thought let me do some review on it. I also got a bag with it, so you can clean the tool and then after that you can store it in the bag. And where I have purchased this from is basically from the Bigtronics website. I would also recommend, if you are interested to buy it, go for the authentic website, because there are so many such fake products which commit to do the same work with a very low price. But yeah, I'm not sure how it will be. This one I have got for 1970, I guess. There is some discount going in the website, and this is basically for 1400 some amount, but yeah, I've got it for 980. And yeah, so you can already see a lot of improvement in my skin texture after using this. And this is a completely, just I washed my face and I have put the olive oil. There is no makeup, no filter look. So this is how it looks after using it for just, I have not completed the use also, I just showed you how this is. So hope this helps. And you see a lot of advertisement nowadays about this product, so you this review of mine may help you to decide on you should go for it or not. And I hope the informations which I have provided will help you. This is some useful information. And if you did not like the review, I'm sorry for it. I am actually not an like proper, I don't do regular reviews, I'm not very expert on it. And this was completely an unplanned review also, while I just thought of putting some words on Instagram for my friends. Yeah, if you like it, please let me know, and maybe later I would come up with some better reviews with the daily care regime which I follow for my skincare. Bye, thank you.